How to get $30 to your promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you will find the search box. Type in Dior.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Dior. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and while you check out, you'll find the section of discount code or gift card. You have to paste that code over there and proceed to confirm your order. With that, you will get the discount. Now, where can you find Dior promo code? For that, open a new tab. Now type in Dior promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can get Dior promo code. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Coupon Follow. After you open it, you're going to find great deals and offers. You can see that 23% off, 20% off, save with code, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you are interested in and want to use it. Go ahead and click on See Details. So here's the code, you can copy it. Now you can head towards the website of Dior, log into your account, make your purchase. And while you check out, you'll find this section of discount code or a gift card. You have to paste that code over here and confirm your order. With that, you'll get the discount. Also try out these offers. In this page, you're gonna find tons of offers. Likewise, go through these websites as these websites will also provide a working promo code for Dior. Well, this is how you can easily get $30 Dior promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.